Hey everyone, it's Georgia here with Mobile Homes by Georgia, and I'm so excited to give you a tour of this massive double wide today. Now this is going to be a 32 by 80. It's called the Vermont. It's built by Hamilton Homebuilders, and it's going to be 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus a den. So right now we're just going to be in your main living room, and check out the size of this kitchen. You guys, this house is perfect if you've got a large family. You're really going to have every feature you could want. Now there's a look at your dining room, and I love that sliding glass door, perfect if you plan on putting a porch out there. And now all of this cabinet space is what would really act as your pantry, just because you don't have a walk-in pantry in here. Now there is a look at your den space, so that room can actually be converted into a 5th bedroom if you need that extra bedroom. So here's a look into your first room. And you guys can absolutely customize the flooring, the wall color, the cabinets, the countertops, your backsplash, all of that fun stuff. And now you'll see that you've got a Jack and Jill style bathroom connecting these 2 bedrooms. Now I love that you've still got your dual sinks, plenty of storage in here, and a really great size shower tub combo. Like I said, this house is really family friendly. Now both of these bedrooms are going to be really similar in size, but this next guest bedroom is probably going to be your biggest one. Now, if you convert that den into a 5th bedroom, that one is going to be really large as well. Now, down this hall, we're going to have your next guest bathroom and your laundry. Now, I love those cute little hooks right there, perfect for coming in and hanging up your jackets and coats. So I love that this isn't just a half bath, you still got that shower tub combo. Now here is a look at your laundry space with your back entrance. And you definitely have room in here for an extra, deep freeze or a refrigerator. And I love that you've got that extra storage above your washer and dryer. Now in this den, you're gonna have an electric fireplace. Now I love that this space is actually functional. I mean, you still have that fireplace, but again, you can put some artwork above there or hang your TV like most people will do, and then you've got all those built-ins around it. Okay, now we're gonna head on into the kitchen. And again, guys, the flow of this house is so great. Okay, so to the left of this fridge, you guys do have the option to add in another oven, so it would be just placed where those cabinets are. You've got your built-in microwave, and then you've got a little bit more storage in that island, so you do have the option to keep that in or take it out. Now, all these stainless steel appliances will come with the purchase of your house. And again, tons of bar seating, perfect for lining up the kiddos. Now, this house is only staged with the 2 bar stools, but you could definitely fit up to 6. So here is another look at your main living room. And now I love that you've got the master bedroom on this side of the house. A lot of people are going to prefer a split floor plan. They like a little bit of separation from their room and the kiddos. Now you could definitely fit a king-size bed in this space. Now here is a look at this beautiful master bathroom. You've got the 72-inch tiled shower and tons of cabinet space. You've got your dual sinks, lots of countertop space, and again, some more storage around that deck tub. And here is a quick look at your water closet. All right, guys, if you want to see this house in person, I'm located at 3500 East Texas Street, Bossier City, Louisiana. And as of this moment, we do still have this house here on the lot. So if you want to take a look at it, definitely get in touch with me. I've got all my contact info listed in the bio. So you can come by, set up an appointment, and we'll take a look at some houses. We also deliver up to 150 miles of Bossier City, Louisiana. If you're outside of that delivery range, check out the links in my bio. We've got locations all over the Southeast that can service you. All right, guys, thank you so much for letting me introduce you to the Vermont. Definitely let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Have a great day, everyone.